Now I'm going to tell you about logical function. So to make it more clear, I have copied this data to another sheet name logical. I have made this sheet and I have copied this data here from that particular sheet. So here it is name, roll number, name of the three subjects, and its marks, total marks, obtained marks. As you know, we have calculated through sum equal to sum like this. So so there are four logical function: if, and, or, not. If is very important function. Under if we are giving them some particular condition. For example, I'm taking some condition over here. If marks are more than 80, intelligent, more than 60, less than 80, very good. These are the condition I'm just making to make it more clear. If marks are more than 50, less than 60, then fair, if marks are more than 40, less than 50, then pass, else fail. So you can make any conditions. So I'll tell you how you can run this one. This is 50. So whenever you are using a logical function equal to, as you know, you have to put the equal sign, equal to. If always try to make the logical functions, if you are using, if you have to take the in descending order, top to bottom. So it is easy to go into the loop. For example, it will search 90, then 70, then 40, then 30, then comes. If I'll start with the ascending order 20, 40, then for example 40 and above are all are pass. So as I have written here, just a minute. So I think these I have taken only 4 conditions, then pass only. So write the pass. So these are the condition. How we can put it? Equal to, if bracket start. So how can you make the formula? You have to write equal to, if bracket start, select the cell, this cell is greater than 80, then it shows intelligent. If bracket start, this cell is greater than 60, less than 80, then it shows very good, very good. Whatsoever you will write in the parenthesis or in inverted commas, it will appear in the same way, comma. If bracket start, this cell is greater than 50, then it will shows fair, intelligent, very good. Then 50 to 60, fair, if bracket start, if bracket start this cell is greater than 40 less than 60 is, then it shows pass, else it will be fail. So try to keep in mind that the commas and inverted commas should be correct, otherwise the if condition will not run. So you have to always write in descending order, so it can be run till end. So if it is more than 80 then intelligent, if more than 60 less than 80 very good, then if it is likewise else fail. So you need not to write the else if. So else means you want that if less than 40, that means fail. So but how many if are there, how many conditions are there? There are 4 condition, and last one is else. 1 2 3 4. So it is in different color, it will show you. So likewise, so I'm using here the relative referencing. So likewise you can see it has done beautifully. Intelligent, if it is more than 80 intelligent, here it is intelligent. 60 to 80 very good, and 50 to 60 then fair, then fail. These are intelligent likewise. So if conditions run, if one of the condition is correct, it will shows the true value. And means function is used when both the condition will true. For example, equal to and bracket start, if this cell is greater or equal greater than 93. Okay. False. It is not greater than, because both the condition should be true. It is equal to or greater than. So I have written greater than. For example, F2 equal to, then even then the two conditions are true. So it is both the things are been there. So it is equal, and means two conditions should be true. For example, and bracket start, if this cell, I'll explain you in better way, equal to and both the condition, if this cell is greater than 80 comma this cell is lesser than 80. Okay, so both the condition should be there, but one condition is true, one condition is false, because you can see here I have taken HRM and English, like I'll show you after. So in and I have given if D6 this cell should be more than 80. Okay, it's not more than 80, it's equal to 80, it's okay, and it's less than 80, no, both the condition are false. Similarly here, if you are drag it, I have put both the condition and relative referencing, both the condition should be there, both the false. No cell should be F2, function F2. You can see not here, there is no cell which is more than 80. These cells are more than 80, but here these cells are not less than 80. But if we are doing like this, if we change into this is less than 80, for example 77, and this is also 67, now it become a true one, because both the condition are true. Otherwise, if one condition is false, one condition is true, the AND function will show you the false statement. And or means if one condition should be true, it will show you the true result. For example, equal to or bracket start, if this cell is greater than equal to 90, or if this cell is less than 70. Either one condition should true, then it will show the true. So like this, you just drag this formula, so formula will be copied but the references has been changed, so you will find true here. Why it is false? Because no condition has true, no one in either this one and that one. It is not more than 90 or equal to 90, and this is less than 70, it's more than 70, so it is false. Here one condition is true. Control F2, like you can see it is not more than 90 and equal to, it is false, but it is true. So if one condition is true, then it will shows the true value. Now I'm going to tell you about not equal to, not bracket start. If this cell, for example this cell is equal to 300, or if this cell is less than 300, for example, false. When that condition is true, if this is found, then it will show the false statement. Function F2, because it's equal to 300, so not is a false statement, that means it is true. Likewise, if we put it here like 200, so what will be the answer? It is opposite, so this is true. Why? Because it is not equal to 300, so it has shown the true value. Here it is 300, and if it is 100, so it is not equal to 300, so it has shown the true value here also. So I think it is clear to you now. So now I'm going to tell you about financial functions.